Hi everyone. In our series of ATR72's ATA chapters, we will continue today air conditioning system where we left on part 1 and part 2. Today we will continue part 3. In part 3, we will be looking about components. We will start with first component, that is the cross-feed valve. The ducts connecting the engines to the respective air cooling packs are interconnected by a cross-feed valve. As you can see, the rounded part, ground cross-feed valve, opens only on ground with one engine breathe valve open and the other one closed, provided no leak detected. During hotel mode, the RH engine, low pressure stage or high pressure stage, provides air pressure to air conditioning system and electrical power to aircraft. That is, the air is bleed from LP stage or HP stage of the compressor for air conditioning system and various other reasons like de-icing and the hotel mode, that is the one engine running with proper brakes on, that is RH engine. From RH engine compressor stages, the air will be bled to the LH pads to supply passenger compartment. As LH engine will be supplying 32% of passengers and all rest to flight compartment. So, from RH engine, the air should be tapped to the LH side path, so the cross-feed valve is present. Now we will see the next component, that is the pack valve. When pack valve failure detected, the CCAS, that is cabin crew alerting system, is activated and the pack valve fault light and the fault legend appears on multifunction display, that is DU2 and DU4, and engine warning display has air pack caution message will display on engine warning display. The pack valve is delayed by 6 seconds. Remember, this is only the right pack valve where hotel mode will be running to open if all conditions are met, like no leak from LH engine bleed check valve. Then bleed selected on valve is open. If only bleed selected valve is open, the pack valve of the RH side will open. Now, after time lapse, the shutoff valve solenoid is energized, as air pressure is available. The pack valve opens and regulated at 22 psi. That is the normal psi, which the bleed air will be supplied to the air conditioning system. To increase the flow, push flow button. This acts on high pressure differential solenoid and the pressure to the pack valve regulated at 30 psi. To increase the pressure, we have to press flow button on the air conditioning panel. A signal is sent to EEC, that is electronic engine control, to decrease slightly fuel to prevent ITT increase. ITT is turbine inlet temperature. To avoid that, we will slightly decrease the fuel to the engine. In case of pack overheat, that is 204 degrees Celsius, if the bleed air coming from the engine is 204 degrees Celsius, the pack valve closes automatically and the fire light will illuminate on air conditioning panel, because in air conditioning panel, we have selected to open the back wall, but it disagrees with the back wall position. So a fault line will appear on air conditioning panel. In addition, on RH maintenance panel, near the FO side, the pipe loader magnetic indicator turn ons to indicate fault. A red light will illuminate. Back overheat could be due to dirty heat exchanger or a turbofan failure. Back valve is located on forward landing gear fairing and regulates or shut off the flow of engine bleed air to back. The valve consists of, that is, the parts of the back valve are high reference regulator. That is, to increase the flow, we have to energize this high reference regulator. It maintains the pressure at 30 psi. Then low reference regulator. This maintains the pressure at 22 psi, which is the normal flow. And shut-off solenoid valve assembly. This actually manages the opening and closing of back valve. And high solenoid, high differential solenoid valve assembly. This, if we want high flow, then actuator assembly for motor movement of those valves, as it is an electro-pneumatic valve. The back flow section. Then flow section, that is where the air from the engine bleed will be coming from. Then position indicator switch assembly, as the fault light should illuminate if the position of the valve disagrees with the command we have given. So this position indicator switch will indicate us whether the back valve is open, that is agrees with our command, or closed, that is disagreed with our command. With shut-off valve de-energized, valve is closed. With shut-off 1 and high pressure solenoid energized, valve is open with 30 plus or minus 5 psi. With only shut-off valve open and the high pressure solenoid de-energized, the flow pressure is regulated at 22 plus or minus 5 psi. Next, we will talk about service pressure regulator. As we know, before entering the back valve, bleed air will go through service pressure regulator. The service pressure regulator is pneumatically activated pulpeptide differential pressure regulator. It provides constant source of regulated supply air to temperature control valve. How much the pressure will be? The pressure is 60.4 psi. Okay. Input pressure from bleed air duct is applied to service pressure regulator. Thank you, everyone. That is all for today. The other components we will see in our next part. Thank you.